And let's go! Never. How dare you? You never beat me. I always beat you. Now at this point though, it does get a little bit intense, so grab the right side. Hold your foot down on the right side. I don't know, we seem to be tied this whole time. Oh no! She's pulling ahead! No! Oh, she's coming back. I'm pulling ahead! Come on! Come on, champion! Yeah? Oh! I don't know, we're so close. I think I'm winning. I don't know, you seem to be moving ahead now a little bit. I think you might have won by a nostril. Look at you, just barely ahead. Who do you guys think won? Tell us down in the comments. We need a definitive answer of who won, me or Eva. Because I don't know. It's looking pretty close. She might have won by a nostril though.